Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Art and Craft with Kankana. Today in this video, again I am going to show a Happy New Year card. And in this video, I am going to show a Happy New Year card using one-stroke painting. And it is also going to be a pop-up card. So before starting, if you like my video, then please click on the like button and share it with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. For more information about my channel, you can follow my Facebook page Art and Craft with Kankana. I would also like to hear your comments in the comment section. So let's get started. First of all, I will take a chart paper. And then I will start making flowers using two colors, orange and body color. So the front part is complete. Now I will take some paper flowers. You can learn how to make this paper flowers in my channel. I will also attach the link in the description box. I will use glue and attach them one by one. Please follow the steps accordingly. Now I will take a brush pen and write Happy New Year 2022 on it. So the card is ready. If you like this video, then please click on the like button and share it with your family and friends. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.